Welcome back to Yard Vibes. Make it to another video, big up yourself, Bringing all the common sense people of Jamaica in one place. So this is where Yard is supporting Yardy. 90% substance, 10% bullcrap. Yeah, we're bringing common sense back, shame and reality to the Jamaican diaspora. Over here, side where we bad mind. Guess what? Bad mind equal when the truth hurts, no accountability, and when they want to manipulate you. So yeah, we're going to talk about the bag of car accident we are going to Jamaica. Something we talked about already. I say be careful for the Christmas when I go. Careful on our walk with. But we'll play a video before we break down what going.
In other news, several motorists are in hospital after crashes in St. Thomas and St. Andrew today. These after 3 people died in separate motor vehicle crashes on Christmas Day. 362 people have been killed in road crashes so far this year, a figure still too high for authorities.
365 people. Day in 1 year. 362 dead from car accident. Average 1 per day. So car accident and murder around competition in Jamaica. Who can kill out the people first?
5 people were injured in this accident in Pondside, Yala St. Thomas Thursday. There were no reported fatalities. The crash led to heavy traffic in the area. In the meantime, several travellers were injured in another motor vehicle collision along Mandela Highway shortly before 2 o'clock this afternoon. The incidents follow 3 deaths from road crashes on Christmas Day. It means 300.
Remember me say, watch out, no foreign I got today. Weapon, alcohol, phone distraction with the bag of tic-tac. Yeah, the man caused the accident.
62 people have
Racing.
died in road crashes in the 361 days so far this year, just about 1 every single day. While there are 57 fewer deaths than the 419 at the same time in 2023, the National Road Safety Council says it is a stark reminder of the dangers on the road. Dr. Lucien Jones is vice chairman.
The reality that 3 persons died reminds us of the dangers of driving on our roads. 362 precious lives, 25 to date in December. Historically, one of the
December, 1 per month. Man, there's something psychologically wrong with Jamaicans.
deadliest months of the year. The challenge for the country, however, is that despite the good news, we have a very long road to travel to achieve what the WHO has mandated for all countries, to reduce fatalities by 50% by 2030. Jamaica would have to record no more than 220 road deaths in 6 years' time.
Despite the recent
6 years. Yeah, how long that? One of the biggest problem to the government for patrol.
surge in crashes and deaths, Dr. Jones says the country remains on track to record fewer fatalities when compared with last year. Up to Wednesday, the number of road fatalities was 362 from 313 fatal collisions. A reduction, Dr. Jones says, is a credit in part to increased traffic violation fines.
This has the chances of being caught speeding and a warrant issued for your arrest if you are ticketed and either pay at the tax office or at the courts has significantly increased, along with the possibility of having your license suspended if you accumulate excess demerit points on your license. So we are
Need more speed trap on the road than if that's a big case. Get more digital camera speed trap in places where high volume accidents happen, where they're more likely to race. Come on, let's get it cracking, man. People life at risk.
making strides to ensure safe speeds on our roads. Not done by a long way, but moving in the right direction.
The NRC wants fewer than 300 deaths in 2025, a feat Dr. Jones says can be achieved with discipline and the right programs.
The challenge for us as a nation is to achieve the same success in ensuring safe road users who buckle up in front and in the back too, who wear approved helmets when driving on a motorcycle, who don't drink and drive, who don't use ganja and drive, and use a cell phone when driving, a major distraction, and also pedestrians who use the roads carefully. In this respect, the passing of the new Road Traffic Act is a major achievement, but much work is needed to extract the full benefits from such a long overdue piece of legislation.
Okay, so between the pothole them with up on the road, with corrupt politician them not fix, see, compared to the phone distraction, everybody on TikTok, everybody want to look cool like it cool for text and drive cause they must show off. And the bag of liquor we see everybody a drink down to the woman them. Crazy drinking, everybody alcoholic. To the bag of racing cause everybody want a fast car and super up car. Race and bragboard going around corner. You know the deal with the young too. Used to be in a car with people that go around 100 miles per hour. Round corner overtake. And no fear never, crazy looking back. This microphone is powerful, so we have to say, can't live like that. Enough people we grew up with never make it back through accident. Foreigner good and go drive, I try prove things that they can't do in America, they think they can't get me at Jamaica. We talk about them things already, everything will come back full circle. with them video gonna be like a jigsaw puzzle. The funny video gonna be like soundtrack to some of our life. Some of the things them gonna hear. Some of them live stream are gonna make you look upon things different. When you see news, you're gonna analyze it different based on psychology. I don't know doctor, I don't know about it psychology. Just learn everything from the street and I progress it. So stay tuned, be careful. Christmas not done, holiday not done, New Year come. Freedom Street with the background where I get promoted. Drive safe, drive careful. Less care on the tech probably better too. So peace. Remember yard vibes or yardy helping yardy. If it be better yardies. Mount.